Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome in HDN News Update. I am Badr Rajput. The Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry, in collaboration with Pakistan International Property Exhibition, is set to organize the Build and Invest Expo 2025 in Muscat, Sultanate of Oman on May 23 to 24, 2025. The event, dedicated to real estate and allied industries, will be held at the prestigious Grand Hyatt Muscat. A soft launch of the expo was held in Islamabad in an impressive ceremony, which was attended by a large number of business community members from various sectors, particularly real estate and allied industry. The event's chief guest ambassador for Oman, Fahad bin Sulaiman bin Khalaf Alkharusi, lauded ICCI initiative, highlighting it as a reflection of the deepening partnership between Pakistan and Oman based on mutual respect, cultural affinity, and shared economic interest. He emphasized that Oman highly value its bilateral relation with Pakistan, and the upcoming expo offers a timely opportunity to bolster trade, investment, and industrial cooperation. He encouraged the business community of both nations to participate actively, engage in meaningful dialogue, and build partnership to promote region development and prosperity. ICCI President Nasir Mansoor Qureshi, in his address, expressed gratitude to the ambassador for his consistent efforts to strengthen ties between the two nations. He reaffirmed ICCI's commitment to economic progress, entrepreneurial empowerment, and international investment facilitation. He formally announced the Build and Invest Pakistan Expo 2025 in collaboration with Pakistan International Property Exhibition, Pakistan's Ministry of Commerce, and the embassies of both Pakistan and Oman. Qureshi elaborated on the expo's key features, which include high-impact business-to-business and business-to-investor networking opportunities. The event will attract top developers, financial institutions, and regulatory bodies aiming to connect with overseas, Pakistanis, and Gulf-based investors. He further stated that ICCI, as the region's leading chamber with robust nation and international linkage, will continue to play a pivotal role in promoting trade, industry, services, youth entrepreneurship, and women's economic empowerment. Notable attendees who praise ICCI initiatives include President of Islamabad State Agent Association and Federation of Realtors, Sardar Tahir Mahmood, Chairman New Airport City, Raja Sajjad Hussain, Chairman Fair Group of Companies, Chaudhry Abdul Rauf, and Director Faisal Town. Pakistan International Property Exhibition, Imran Khattak, also delivered a detailed presentation on the expo's main features. In his vote of thanks, Senior Vice President Abdul Siddiqui expressed confidence that the expo would significantly contribute to Pakistan's economic activity and serve as a meaningful step toward national prosperity. He extended special thanks to ICCI President Nasir Mansoor Qureshi for his extraordinary leadership and dedication to the initiative. Other distinguished guests include ICCI Vice President Nasir Mahmood Qureshi, Executive Member Ms. Fatma Azim, Ms. Shumaila Siddiqui, Imran Minhas, Ishaq Sial, Zulkarnain Abbasi, Aftab Kuchar, Irfan Chaudhry, Naveed Sitti, Mia Shokat Masood, Malik Mohsen Khalid, and former ICCI Presidents Khalid Javed and Zahid Makbul.